So, hey guys, it's Honey Bri back with another video, and in this screen recording, I'm just showing y'all what I ate all day, and the whole point of this video is showing y'all like me cooking because I am hungry. And also I made some detox water, so that's what you're about to see in the picture coming up. But your girl's kind of hungry. I really didn't eat much, as y'all saw in that video recording I did. Really only ate like less than 700 calories today. So I'm going to cook my number one favorite meal. See if y'all can guess what it is. Got some grape tomatoes, some butter, some mushrooms. Anybody getting warm? Got some green onion, some turkey bacon. Oh, y'all gotta have it by now. Some shredded cheese, and something that I decided to do different in my nutrition: egg whites. No more real eggs because of the cholesterol content, even though I love eggs. But no, this is like, really good. Like compared to actual eggs, look at that cholesterol. Look at them calories. So we're gonna try some egg whites. I've never just had liquid egg white before, but we're gonna give it a try. So it's 3 tablespoons the serving, but I'm hungry and I'm trying to make an omelet, so we're gonna do 3/4 cup, so we can have approximately 4 large eggs. Yeah, let's get cooking. All right, the other monomer that I go under is Chef Boyardee, and today we are going to make a very protein-rich, vegetable-induced omelet. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one. Ooh, shiny. So I've always been told that I hold a knife wrong, but I have not cut myself yet. All right, and we are done. Green, brown, and red. Those are some good colors. They look really nice. So our next part to do is, I'm also starting to change like my butters I use. This is Land O'Lakes. And it's light butter with canola oil. And the caloric value is 50 calories for 1 tablespoon. And I actually do have a tablespoon right here. So we're gonna just go ahead and turn on this skillet or pan and have some butter inside so that the vegetables, and if you want to count tomato as a fruit right now, and fruit, can cook so they can saute. Ooh, so smooth. Hold on, can you see that? Look how smooth it is. Kind of like ice cream. Interesting. So I'm gonna just put it in here, let it melt, so I don't have to scoop it out with a spoon. Right now my fire's on medium, so that's good. Yeah, it came out. This is some really good butter. For now, we're just gonna leave this in here because we're gonna need another tablespoon later. So you see the pan is starting to get hot. Just gonna swirl the butter around some. And we can go ahead and scoop in all our vegetables and fruit. So right here I'm just sauteing everything for the omelet, making sure it's cooked thoroughly. And in a second I'm going to show y'all from a different point of view.
As y'all can see, everything's starting to shrink because of the heat, and it's almost ready to be pulled off of the stove.
And so it will go in there for now. All right, and we're gonna put it on low just a little. And we're gonna get another tablespoon, and this time before the eggs. Y'all, my stomach growling. That smells so good. Alright, we're done with this, so gotta put that away. And we're going to get our egg whites. I have a 1/2 cup and a 1/4 cup, which, easy math, is 3/4 cup. Measuring cups right here. So first we're gonna start with, let's swish this butter around just a little bit more. Okay. Alright. We're gonna start off with a 1/4 cup. Ooh. It's this weird liquid. I'm just joking. Ooh. Alright, okay. Interesting. And then we're gonna pour the other 3/4. Well, 2/4 of the 3. Go ahead and pour that in there. And we're going to turn the fire back up so I can cook. And I'm gonna rinse this out because I still need this 1/4 cup for the cheese. Now I like to do my omelets is on one side, put everything, you know, and on the other side, leave it, you know, as is. So I actually forgot to put this back on, so we're gonna just snippity snap that on real quick. Ooh, and on. Alright, you can kind of see the pan better. It's getting real white. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this 1/4 cup for this cheese. And I'm not even gonna lie, I did forget about the mustache that quick, so it's not too late. We're just gonna sprinkle it in there, like so. And it doesn't hurt to add another 1/4 of a tablespoon. So it's really cooking now. So I'm gonna put mixture on this side, because this side is cooked a lot more. So we're gonna rake all of this out right here. And just so it's on halfway. And then this part or pan kind of cooks a little unevenly, so I'm gonna just tilt it some. Make sure it's cooking alright. Then we're gonna grab my 1/4 cup of cheese and just gonna also sprinkle it on this side, so it'll be cheesy. Alright, so I think we're good here. So we're just gonna get under there slowly, ever so slowly, lift it up. Some of it might have stuck because you know I was using just butter and not any butter spray. And then we're just gonna, this might be a failure, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But that's okay, it's still gonna taste good, failure or not. Oh yeah, we're getting it. We are getting it. Okay, hold on. Ooh. Okay. Alright. I see you. And we're just gonna flip. It didn't all come together, but that's okay. I honestly need to buy a new pan. So yeah, we're just gonna mash that down. I know there's a lot right here that's not covered. Just gonna speed it up. Ooh, that sizzle. That sizzle. And flip the whole thing. It broke. It's okay. It's okay though. It's still gonna taste so delicious when I get done. Mash it so that side can cook some. And I'm not even gonna bore y'all with cooking the turkey bacon, but I'll show y'all how it looks when I'm done. So, be right back. We're just gonna have a meal of threes, because that is the magic number. Okay, yeah. I need to get this bacon out. So we're just gonna whoop, scoop, de-whoop right there. And just put those in temporarily. That's it. Ooh. And so this plate looks so good, y'all. I realize I'm upside down. My bad. This plate look good, y'all. Like, look, just oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to show y'all on camera the bite I take. Just know it's gonna be good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me making breakfast for a snack. Honestly, I'd eat breakfast all day long if I could, but yeah, and pretty sure this meal is under 600 calories. Now, I don't know about that bread. I'll have to look up on the website how many calories it is, but other than that, this is like a 600 calorie meal. Sure, I have a booger in my nose. That's embarrassing. All right, bye guys. See you in the next video. So definitely without the Asiago focaccia. Actually, no, the Asiago loaf from Panera, the meal is definitely under 600 calories, but with the 3 slices of bread, it is over 600 calories, but this still isn't bad for an omelet.